Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Audi 90 Quattro, and this is by Hot Wheels, and I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. So this comes under Peak Pursuit. I don't know what series that is. Honestly, I don't know. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. This casting looks really good inside the blister because it has a wide body kit. Okay. Let me just put this aside. Okay, here it is. So out of the box, the casting looks really good. I mean, the paint job looks really nice. I mean, maybe a little bit here and there, if you want to nitpick, maybe a little bit issues here you can see. So it has headlight details here. I mean, it doesn't even have a grill detail here. Everything just painted on. It has hood details here, which looks really nice. It has wiper detailing here, and you can see the interior detailing here. This is supposed to be engine. I mean, I really like the windshield here because they actually gave that small opening for air and all. I mean, it has the rear view mirror detailing here. I don't know what this particular thing is, but the interior looks really nice. Okay, it doesn't have tail light detail. I mean, it's a main line, so it doesn't have any chassis detailing as well. So you can see the exhaust here just protruding out. That looks good. Not too heavy, but for this particular size it feels a bit heavy. We need to see how much this weighs. Okay, so the body is fully metal including the spoiler, and the chassis is fully plastic. And yeah, let's weigh this casting now. I don't see much there to actually explain. 37 grams, that is good. Okay, let's do a roll test. Honestly, my eyes actually went that side, but the car suddenly stopped here. That gave me a little bit of, I don't know what, how you say that, or what you say that. Okay, not going down. No, it is just getting stuck here. Okay, let's try here. Wow, it is hitting my Spidey boy. Dude, no one touches my Spider-Man. I literally break this car. Okay, it doesn't roll really well, but it rolls okay. When it is rolling, I can hear that friction a lot. I don't know whether it is because of the axle touching inside of this car, or just because of this mat here, but I can't able to roll that in the track. It is getting stuck midway through. Okay, let's rate this car now. So okay, I don't see much of an issue with the car except for the rolling part. Maybe I will take 0.5 out of that. So apart from that, the casting looks really nice. So 9.5 out of 10. So I would suggest this one for the people who love Audi specifically. Um, I mean, if you want to pick any car in this particular thing till we unbox, I think this is the third car which we unboxed so far. So I would suggest this one out of those other two because it has good detailing on the interior. Everything looks really nice, and everything looks very well detailed as well. So in case if you are planning to buy anything out of the three videos which I did so far, my suggestion would be go for this one. This looks really nice, and it looks really wide as well. And it is not going to roll on the track, so you just need to keep it in the showcase, or maybe play it if you are planning to play with it. Play it in a wider track, or on the floor. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.